Welcome to San Marcos CISD Transportation Training Department. My name is Moxy Walker. I am the Training and Safety Supervisor. Today we're going to talk about backing up procedures, how to back your bus up safely. Normal backing procedures. Do not back up unless absolutely necessary. Put on your four-way hazards. If you can, get someone to help you or guide you, another driver, administrator, or a San Marcos CISD employee. If no one is there to help you back up and there are no students on board, then use GOAL, G-O-A-L, meaning get out and look. If no one is there to help you back up and there are students on board, then notify dispatch for further instructions. Engage your noise cancellation switch. Check all your mirrors for hazards. Tap your horn twice. Open your window, and when it is safe, use idle speeds to back up with your foot over the brake. Back up only as far as needed. If there are students on the bus, then ask them to remain silent. On-campus backing procedures. If you must back up, you must first notify dispatch you are going to back up with assistance. You are never to back up in a school loading or unloading zone unless you have an adult guiding you while you are backing. Follow all normal procedures with additional of silencing of your students. En route backing procedures. If you have a monitor or another SMCISD employee on the bus, then have them spot you as you're backing up. If backing is a part of your regular route, then you do not need to call in. If backing up is not a part of your regular route, then you need to call dispatch for approval. If you miss a turn and you are unsure how to reroute, then call dispatch for assistance. This is usually a safer option than backing up. Remember, a driver is not relieved of his or her responsibility to back safely when a guide is involved in the maneuver. A guide cannot control the movement of the vehicle. Therefore, a driver must check all clearances for themselves. Thank you. Have a good day.